Three, two, one.
First of all, we're gonna take a look to the drivetrain. Brecht is using a 5236 in the front and a 1128 cassette. His full grip set is Shimano Ultegra. For a good braking performance, Brecht is using Dura Ace rotors, 160mm both front and rear. As well as the saddle, the handlebars are from Scott's home brand Syncross. The stem and the handlebars are in one piece, which is pretty good for the aerodynamics. And for those reasons, Brecht turned his shifters inwards, also for the aerodynamics. The bike has a 4i power meter. In combination with the Garmin, you can see the cadence, the power and your speed. Personally, I think Scott has done a great paint job on this bike with the sparkles in front and the matte black in the rear. The logos of Scott are in glossy finish. And there you can see the foil logo on the top tube. The wheels are from DT Swiss and are 62 centimeters deep. The bike weighs in at 8.3 kilograms, including 2 bottle cages, a Garmin mount and Ultegra pedals.